Children's Hospital and Medical Center is one of our community's most treasured assets. My father was fortunate to work with many of the outstanding and caring employees during his 40-plus year career. The Spirit of Caring Nursing Award fulfills Dad's wish to honor and pay tribute to the wonderful pediatric nurses at Children's. Dad was widely admired for his passion and devotion, and in turn he admired the nurses at Children's in whom he put his trust for the care of his patients. The Heart of a Hero Award honors a non-nursing staff member who demonstrates an extraordinary work ethic and caring heart. My father knew that there are many other Children's staff members who make vital contributions to Children's mission and amazing patient and family care. These attributes mirror the qualities that Dad most respected in those with whom he worked. When our family has the pleasure to meet the individuals who are selected for these awards, it confirms the special asset we have in our community. This is a simple way to say thank you for the dedication of the nurses and all of the employees at Children's. The Dr. Robert E. Murphy Awards have come to represent the best of the best.
Hi, sweetie! I've always had a passion for nursing, but once I got into pediatrics, there was no other place I wanted to be.
You want to hold that right there?
I actually started out as a licensed practical nurse, working with kids under a year when Children's was down on 44th and Dewey.
My name's Jane.
In 1985, the majority of us went back to school and got our RN, and that's when I went to night shift because it worked out better.
This is much improved there.
It's always been medical surgical. Each day is a little bit better. I find it a very challenging field, but also it's just so much going on all the time. There's always something new, and you're always learning something new. Even in 39 years, I always learned at least one thing new each week.
There you go.
The kids do make it fun. So you're holding them, you're rocking them. Sometimes it's the smile, the laugh. I can't think of anything more rewarding than when a kid goes home and they're doing great.
Expiration is fine.
Jane is someone who has the utmost character. She's admired by so many people. She is professional. She treats everyone with courtesy and respect.
Here you go.
She makes our jobs a lot easier, and she makes the patients feel at home too.
When Jane's on, she never sits still. She's always actively doing things either for the patients, for the staffing of our unit. Her 39 years, starting from like the old building and moving to this current building, she's seen so many changes in like the organization as well as like on our unit.
Oh, he's new.
When you work with somebody like that, it makes you want to do more because you see how hard she's working.
Jane has taught me the importance of safe patient care. She is constantly thinking 2 or 3 steps ahead. She wants you to anticipate the things that could happen, that might happen.
And when you talk to her about her nursing career, her face just completely lights up. We all pick nursing for a reason. We love to help people and care for people, and we want to get people better.
I'm going to kind of put it like that.
I think for Jane, what she shows us is how it's not just a career, it's the commitment to this organization as a whole and what it stands for.
Go under bed.
And to this day, 39 years later, Jane is one of the most proud people I've ever met of saying, I work for Children's, and she could not be more proud and happy.
It was a big honor because I knew Dr. Murphy. I worked with him, and I knew what kind of a doctor he was, and to have the staff basically honor me with this. Means a whole lot. Respect from them, and their love, and their trust, and we'll always remember it.
We're going right in here. Every day is different. That's one of the things I like about the job. is that no 2 days are the same.
If I go into my pump and I press this button,
I deal with patients who have diabetes and their families. I work with these families to identify whatever issues it is they're having that are making it difficult for them to care for the diabetes. They're dealing with something that's life-threatening, and if you don't manage it properly, can be very serious. And they're dealing with that every single day. Being a gentle listener and offering support is the way that social workers heal, by listening and being empathetic and offering comfort in our words and trying to just offer support to these families. There's nothing more important than truly making a difference in someone's life. So let's make a few notes.
Kathy is not only a wonderful social worker, she's a certified diabetes educator. She went the extra mile to get the training, and that's a commitment that only about 10 people in the United States have. If the child is being placed in a foster care home, she knows how to explain to the other professionals what the child will need and what the foster parents will need.
Kathy is one of those people that just genuinely cares. She is literally one of the strongest advocates you'll ever find.
And I'm so happy that you are loving your new school.
She will fight for those kids to make sure that they're getting their needs met. It's just a daily reminder to treat families with the dignity and respect that they deserve and to treat everyone as though you'd want to be treated. And that's what Kathy does. She reminds the rest of us to do the same.
I didn't know Dr. Murphy, but I've heard a lot about him, and she exemplifies what he was all about. She goes the extra mile in everything she does. She's taken it upon herself to change the attitude of the providers of health care and the families.
I could not do what I do every day without all the amazing teams that I'm a part of. I'm part of the endocrinology team, I'm part of the social work team, I'm part of the infectious disease team. What I would say to Dr. Murphy's family is thank you from the bottom of my heart. This award is incredible, and I feel extremely honored.